For many professions, such as lawyers, document translation is an important but time-consuming part of daily operations. Even with modern translation tools like Language Weaver, you still have to download files manually from, for example, SharePoint or iManage, upload them to your translation tool, download the translated file, and ensure it's uploaded to the right folder. That's not a problem if you have to do a file or two, but it turns into a lot of work fast when you're doing a large matter with international parties and hundreds of documents. Now, there's a better way. The partnership between Language Weaver and BettyBlocks enables global organizations to securely analyze data and provide service in any language at scale, real-time, from anywhere. And here's how it works. You open up your BettyBlocks app. You start a new request. You fill out the details. You locate the iManage folder that holds the documents that need to be translated. Optionally, create a folder to store the translated documents in. Then you create the request. You do a quick double check just to be sure. Set the target language. Choose to optionally generate a summary in the target language. Press translate, and you're done. Now enjoy that coffee while we take care of the rest. With BettyBlocks, between your knowledge management system and Language Weaver, you translate and organize multilingual documents in industry-standard knowledge management systems and drive internal collaboration tailored to organizational workflows and language requirements.